Welcome, here I've got ARCHOS Diamond Gamma and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner. When we pick this button we get access to more options we can manage. Now let's focus on this more settings button. When we pick this we can open the advanced camera settings, and as you can see here we have Nubia watermark option, so by using this button we can turn it on and turn it off like that. This is how it works here. So for now let me keep this turn it on. Let's go back to the camera to take a picture to show you how the watermark looks like on the real one. And now let's move here to the left corner at the bottom. By tapping on this we get quick access to the gallery. This is our picture and the watermark is here, so this is the device watermark Neo Vision powered by Nubia. And this is how it works. Of course, when you don't need this, you go back to the settings in the left corner here, and once again pick more settings and tap on this button. So for now this is turned off. When we take another picture, the watermark should be not visible at it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.